Thank you for viewing this tutorial about how to apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library card. Getting a card is a free and easy process for all North Carolina residents. An SLNC Government and Heritage Library card is a valuable tool that gives you access to print and online resources that can assist you in your research and help you live a more abundant and purposeful life. The State Library of North Carolina has a rich history of providing service to North Carolinians since 1812. North Carolina residents and state employees are eligible to apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library card. Why should you apply for a library card with us, and what are the benefits? An SLNC Government and Heritage Library card provides access to many resources that can help you accomplish your goals. Whether you're delving into your genealogy, conducting statistical research, working on a research paper or article, or simply curious to learn more about North Carolina history, government, culture, or current events, we have resources to help you be successful in your search. With an SLNC Government and Heritage Library card, you can check out books and microfilm from the library's physical collection, access numerous online resources related to newspapers, genealogy, history, geographic information, data, demographics, business, ebooks, video resources, and more, and borrow materials from other libraries around the country through interlibrary loan. So how do you apply for an SLNC Government and Heritage Library card? It's easy. You can apply online, or you can apply in person at the State Library in Raleigh. Click on the respective links in the navigation menu of this tutorial to locate instructions on how to apply for a library card using each of these methods. Enjoy exploring the many benefits of being an SLNC Government and Heritage Library card holder.